Hello everybody, welcome to a special episode. I wasn't planning to do any videos, but I got something really awesome. My buddy dropped off a Christmas gift early and he told me to open it on camera, so it's something really special, and told me to make some guesses on what it is. And here is the present. I'll show it off before I open it up on camera. It's heavy. Oh, it's really heavy. I would say it's at least 40 pounds, so he could be trying to throw me off and put a bunch of bricks in a box. I have no idea. He told me to open up this last. Could be some kind of video game system in there, but I don't know if there's one that heavy. I have a lot of systems, so I don't know what this one could be, because I don't recognize any of that heavy. But first guess. It's heavy. It's like 50, maybe even 50 pounds, but I'd say at least 40 for sure. 30 to 40 pounds. And first guess, wow. If I'm guessing systems that I don't have that could be that heavy, I don't recognize systems being that heavy. But I would say the 3DO, I never had one, but maybe it's bricky and heavy. This is open up last, this little top piece here. So that looks like a controller of some sort up there. But this is heavy. And he said he was waiting for a power supply, so it's got to be electronic. Could be some kind of DVD changing player. Maybe. Maybe, I don't know. And third guess, so I'm guessing 3DO, some kind of DVD playing system, or another retro system. What's heavy? I have an original Xbox being worked on, but it never felt this heavy. Heavy system, old, new. I can't think of anything else. Maybe even new. PS4. Let's just say PS4. No, let's say Sega CD. So Sega CD, we're saying 3DO, or some DVD playing systems, my guesses. So, without further ado, I'll open it up on camera, and then what I'll do is I will get a close-up after I look into it. This is heavy, so I don't know if you can see me opening the paper here. Huh. Well, I can't tell still. So 3DO DVD playing system, or what did I say? Sega CD? Is that what I said? Okay, so let's tear it open. It's going to be loud on the microphone for a few seconds while I get the paper off. This paper is pretty loud. The microphone picks it up really well. But I'm really excited to see what is in here. Figured I'd show it off live. We'll both see what is in here. Okay, so now let's open this up. I should have brought a knife, or I can slide it out. I know what this is. That's a C64. Wow. Hope that's not the price. There's the original Commodore 64, and here is next to it is the C64 Maxi that I always keep on my desk. So there is the Maxi, which is a plug and play full-size Commodore 64 with a working keyboard. And here is the original Commodore 64 in all its glory. And it looks very cool. Looks good shape too. Got a little tiny scuff, not major. Cartridge slots, all the cool things. C64, I haven't had one of these in years. My second computer, my first computer that I started with is the VIC-20, and I got this about 3 years later, showing my age. But look at that. Oh, it just feels so nice. I gotta see what this heavy package is, because I know what this is now. This is the full-size C64, the real thing. So what is this heavy box? This will throw me off. Okay, let's open this up. It's gonna be loud for a second. I'll fast forward through it. There's all the weight right there. Look at that. Floppy disk drive system for the Commodore. Let's get the cablings. I don't know if the cables are here, but there it is. The model 1541. It's a single drive floppy disk. And that's awesome. Looks like there's a disc in there already. Let's see what's in there. Pac-Man on floppy. Ha ha ha. Awesome. Look at that. That is beyond cool. Oh man. Now I gotta see what's in here now. Well, I was sort of right. It was a gaming system of sorts. Not really a gaming system, gaming PC, but these are wrapped really well. I would never guess this. Some games. River Raid. Classic. Definitely a good game. I had River Raid back in the day. When the video game crash of '83 happened, this is what replaced my Atari 2600 until the Nintendo NES came out. A lot of us switched to PC gaming. We didn't stop gaming. They weren't selling new games. We were just buying systems for PC finally. Games for PC. Atari Soft. Let's see. I don't know what this one is. What game could it be? We've seen River Raid. Oh, Galaxian. Pretty cool. So Galaxian and Pac-Man for the Commodore 64. And I think I have some other games laying around. So I have another game somewhere. So this is awesome. Very awesome, very cool gifts. Definitely didn't expect that. And let's put those here so everybody can see it. There is the Galaxian, River Raid, the old Commodore 64, 1541 floppy disk drive, and the full-size Commodore 64. So really awesome, didn't expect it. This is a mind-blowing gift. And wow. Very cool, awesome gift. Didn't expect it, and it's very good shape too. Anyways, that is it for this episode. There'll definitely be more gifts after the holiday coming, and a Christmas video of some games to play during Christmas. This was just a special unboxing. He wanted to do it. He's waiting for the power supply or something, so don't plug it in or don't do anything with it. But anyways, very cool. And like I said, I do have the Maxi over here, and you can kind of see the differences between the two, between the original and the Maxi, which is they don't have the little, well, they actually do, it's just different, not as bright and showing off as the buttons, but there you definitely can see the difference in the LED there. And of course the Commodore 64 logo versus the C64. Very cool to have the Maxi, and awesome to have the original now. Anyways, that is it for this episode. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and like I said, plenty more videos coming up. This is just a special episode. Take care, everybody. Until next time, have a good one.